Hi Sifa, you've come.
Hello Felil. Yes, I have come.
Oh yes, then, do you want me to clean the classroom or not?
Why clean the class? Don't we have a picket schedule today? So why do we clean the class?
Sifa, cleaning the class is the obligation of all students, so cleaning the class is very important. Even though we don't have a picket schedule today, but we also have an obligation to help our friends who are cleaning the class.
Oh yes, but what is the importance of cleaning the classroom?
Huh, you don't know?
No.
Okay, if you don't know, I'll explain here.
Yes Felil, please explain.
Yes, Sif, so cleaning the classroom is very important so that we are comfortable studying. Classroom cleanliness can also create conducive learning conditions.
Oh, I see. Then how about we just clean up outside the classroom? Later those who have a picket schedule today will clean up those in the classroom.
It's okay Sif, then let's clean up now. Let's go.
Hey, there Mamida.
Yes, Sifa.
Felil and Sifa clean up outside the classroom? Then who cleans up in the classroom?
Yes mom, me and Felil clean up outside the classroom. Ridha and Tia clean up in the classroom.
Yes, if that's the case, please continue.
Yes mom. Mamida, can I ask a question?
San Sifa, what do you want to ask?
Why do we have to keep the class clean and the school clean?
Sifa, why are you asking that again? Even though I already told you.
Hehehe.
So, keeping the class clean and the school clean has become a shared responsibility of every school member, and the obligation at school is to keep the environment clean.
Oh, okay mom, thank you. I now understand the importance of protecting the school environment.
Yes Sifa, same.